Now, as the Senate is preparing for the trial of the historic impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua next week, tonight we look at when the rain started beating the truthful man, that is Rigathi Gachagua. Is he a master of his own downfall, or is he just the victim of unfortunate circumstance? Well, our reporter Grace Nganga explains.
For years, the push to remove the Murima's truthful man was just an idea, with allies of President William Ruto waiting for the defining moment to strike and send Rigathi Gachagua out of Karen and back to Mathira. Was the writing already on the wall 2 years ago when he was nominated as the running mate of then Deputy President William Ruto?
I, Rigathi Gachagua.
It was clear that there was a wedge between him and MPs who favored then the Raka Senator Kithure Kindiki, and the wedge will have resulted to his ouster by MPs.
Ruto amejipanga. Jambo la kwanza aliyofanya, alichukua mhalifu kama naibu wake. Ndio maana akiingia katika serikali na hawezi ingia, mpango yake ilikuwa ni Gachagua afungwe, alafu wachague mtu mwingine ambaye anayetaka na hatoki hapa mlimani. Na alikuwa amepanga kubadilisha katiba, akae hapo, akae.
Gachagua, who others argue was used to fight former President Uhuru Kenyatta, says that was the wake-up call and regrets the scathing attacks against a man he now calls his brother.
I'm the one who made the first move of reaching out and apologizing, because really we were unfair to Uhuru Kenyatta. Another day, a very senior person abused me at the airport and called me stupid 5 times. And I looked at it, I was very bitter, but I looked at it later at night, and I thought probably he was right. I think I was stupid to fight my own brother.
Hints were dropped, but Riggy G technically ended his career of his own volition. He, whether knowingly or not, helped his dictators with his televised loose talks, turning the wish of President William Ruto's most loyal politicians into a reality. The day Gachagua castigated the government during the floods, and the day he held a news conference in Mombasa as Gen Z protesters poured into Nairobi streets, was a rope long enough to hang himself.
What happens, Mr. Speaker, in this country if every member of parliament goes out there castigating governing bodies and constitutionally created bodies of governance, Mr. Speaker? We are going to have anarchy in this country.
He distanced himself from the Finance Bill 2024. As a member of cabinet, in his position as Deputy President, he is collectively responsible for all the decisions that are made in cabinet, and therefore, in distancing himself, he violated Article 153 of the Constitution.
Is the push for his ouster an accident or a plan hatched at State House?
Siasa hubadilika. Tuko na marafiki wamekuwa na sisi kwa Azimio, sasa wameingia kule kwenu. Hawa rafiki zetu wana historia, wako kama ngamia. Bwana Rigiji, sisi tumeacha kwa mataa na hao wenzetu. Lakini wewe pia uchunge wao wenzetu, wakiingia kule kama ngamia, wataingia na kutoa wengine huko. Kichwa chako ukiona wengine wananyolewa, weka maji. Ile njama tumeona ya kuvunja upinzani kuliko njama ya kuvunja mlima, na kama Rigiji hajajionea, mambo yanakuja.
Should the script play out as planned, it will not be the first time the region will be fronting a candidate to replace the second in command. In 1989, then Vice President Dr. Josephat Karanja was replaced after his backyard rebelled against him and helped have him ousted. Grace Nganga, KTN News, Nairobi.
As the way